Hello everyone, welcome to Spoon and Fork A Bear. Today we're going to be making some cheese puffs with some meat and cheese with mozzarella cheese. So you're going to need 1 cup of all-purpose flour. You're going to need 30 grams of butter. You're going to go ahead and give it a good mix in there. I'll go ahead and add in a pinch of salt. Mix it all in. Uh, 120 millimeters of water. You're going to put it in there slowly, a little bit at a time. You're going to give it a mix, mix it all up. Add in some more of the water. Go ahead and give it a good mix. Yes, it's very messy, you guys. We'll do this until we form a ball. Bind onto a ball. And then once we get into a ball, just like so, we're going to just let it sit for 30 minutes covered with saran wrap or paper, towel. So while we wait for our bread dough to sit for 30 minutes, we're going to go ahead and either do some ground beef, chicken breast, or some pork. And we're going to stir fry it. We're going to add some garlic powder, some onion powder, and some taco seasoning to it. So go ahead and give it a good stir. I'm going to use half a cup of water in here. And drop in the 1 cup of water, half a cup of water. Let it cook until it seasons up. Okay, you guys, we took our meat off the stove. So now I'm going to go ahead and roll out our dough and make circles. And the flour our surface, and then take our dough ball, drop it on there, and then we're going to go ahead and roll it out with a rolling pin, which was very thin, you guys. Keep rolling it out. Whoops. Yeah, just keep rolling it out until it's flat. Rolled out. Now we're going to get either a cookie cutter or something you can make circles with. Finish. We got our 1, 2, 3 on here. We have our meat. So now we're going to take it and we're just going to pat it a little bit flat, just like so. Meat. Then we add our mozzarella cheese. Oops, sorry y'all. And then we take our top. We're going to put it on top. We're going to sandwich it together. Just like so. Our fork, just like so. And do the crinkles all the way around it, just to make sure it stays in place and it doesn't come apart when you're frying it. Just go all the way around, you guys. There you have it. And you just fry them until they're golden brown. Half cup of olive oil into our pan. I'm just going to go ahead and drop these in there. Let them get brown on both sides. You guys have it. They're stuffed with meat and cheese. But they're so hot, I'm scared to break them open.